Good morning, students. As you know, we are on the chapter building with bricks. Today, our topic is arc. So, today we are going to talk about arc. Arc is also a structure on the wall. You generally see. Now, before started, we will talk about the definition of arc. How it look like? Have you ever seen an arc? It is in curved shape. So arc is in curved shape and supported by two pillars, and it is supported by two pillars. So this curved shapes which are on the top is an arc. What is it? Yes, it is an arc, and it is supported by two straight pillars. Now before starting, we will write the definition of arc. As I will write, you have to also write in your notebook. So write the definition of arc. A structure with a curved top. So आर्क एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर है जो कर्व्ड शेप में होता है. अ स्ट्रक्चर विद अ कर्व टॉप, जिसका टॉप का स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होता है? कर्व्ड. ए स्ट्रक्चर विद अ कर्व टॉप. और क्या देखा था? एंड वट एवर यू सी. Yes, it is supported by two straight pillars, na? So we will write that is supported by two straight sides. A structure with a curved top that is supported by two straight sides. And when we look this figure, as I earlier made shape, it look like something an entrance, na, that we can go through it. So something forming an entrance. It is something forming an entrance. So a structure with a curved top that is supported by two straight sides and something forming an entrance. It gives an image of an entrance. It is an arc. Generally you can see this type of shape on some bridge and in mosque also, and in some temple also you can see, I think. So an arc is a structure with a curved top that is supported by two straight sides, something forming as an entrance. Hope now you understand and familiar with this word arc. I think now no one has any confusion about this word arc. So now we will make its shape. As we are on the chapter building with bricks, so we used bricks to make this arc. Now we will see how different brick patterns are used to make this pattern, this arc. Okay, here is a brick. So first we will take a complete brick. After that we will take two half brick. So now you can see the pattern. a complete brick to half brick, a complete brick to half bricks. In this way we have to complete the structure following the same pattern. In the end, some space will left. We have to use a brick according to the space which remain. So here you can see that a triangular space remain, and so that I use a brick in triangular size. Now on the other side we will follow the same pattern. Again a complete brick to half bricks, complete brick then two half bricks. At the end again some space will left, and we will use the bricks according to the space left. Yes, a triangular space remain, we use a triangular brick. Now as we discussed earlier, arc is a curved shape, curved of which is supported by two straight sides. So I am making here two straight sides with the help of brick. So in this arc the pattern is most important. This is an arc, and here you can see the pattern, brick pattern. You can use your own brick pattern also. Now earlier in this chapter we talked about 5 topics. First one is wall pattern. Now all of you familiar with wall pattern, how to make. Second one is floor pattern. All this pattern we can make with the help of bricks. Jali pattern, do you know jali? Yeah, small window in the wall. And jharoka pattern, it is like a big window within the wall. All this pattern made with the help of brick. So this last arc is also made with the bricks. So now you can use your own pattern to make an arc. I hope you understand all this pattern. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. So shall we wind up? Thank you.